let's try that again. Press the wrong button. All right, Matt with Valdek Construction here. Starting our bathroom demolition today. So I'll show you what's going on, and we'll show you our process here. So we got the areas polyed off here just for dust, and then the floors ramboarded, and then our drop cloth so we don't have an issue. So here's our demo. We got a good amount of the demo done. We're gonna rip all this insulation, re-insulate everything. Same with the ceiling, pull that all out, and that's gonna get re-insulated. New window here, all new insulation. The door's gonna get a little bit smaller, just like those drawings that I shared last time. So we got a bit of rot here and some old plumbing, so this is all gonna get changed, all new. One thing you notice here, that if you can see that plumbing slopes this way, which that's not right. Your plumbing should always slope down this way into the drain, so everything gets all the water goes out. This one's back slope, so can cause some issues down the road. Hey guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here. Day 2 update in the bathroom. So I'll flip the camera around, show you what's going on here. We're motoring here, which is awesome. Credit to my team. They're doing well. So here we go. We got our insulation in, new window, rock solid insulation, everything gutted. We'll be installing new insulation up on the ceiling joist, new fans coming in, getting a new subfloor down, prep for tile, get that done. We got plumbers coming in tomorrow to kind of take care of all this stuff and making sure we got all proper plumbing. So we're going to replacing that stack to PVC, putting the tub in tomorrow as well. What else? Yeah, lots happening. Electrical the next day to get in vanity light up there, so that's going to get moved over. We're going to have a pot light up over the shower, and then connection to the new fan. So that's all going to be done, and yeah, small bathroom, but lots of things going on, and we're working away. I can't wait to see this all said and done in about 2.5 weeks from now. It's going to look good. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Hey guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here, coming in day 4 of our bathroom renovation project. I'm here in the basement because we redid a bunch of plumbing lines for the bathroom. So I'm just going to kind of show you what we did, what we cleaned up, because it was a little bit of a mess here. I probably have some before photos, but we'll show you guys that after. Okay, so what we did here, new stack, new tie-in for the plumbing, for toilet, vanity, and shower. So that's all going to be good, and it goes up top. We reran all new water lines to clean it up. They were just all over the place here, just a mess. Kind of cleaned all that up, so it's nice and clean. New water lines all the way to the hot water tank. So they used to run down under this beam, and just no really thought to it at all. So now it's all clean out of the way, and it looks good. We'll go upstairs. We'll go upstairs and take a look at the bathroom. We got all the plumbing rough-in in. We got John from All Star Electric, and then Mike, our foreman, and we got the bathroom here. I'm just showing everybody on Facebook what we're doing. All the rough-in for the tub. New tubs in here. It's just protected for the time being. But look how deep that sucker is. That's a nice deep tub. Good for bath times and soaking in. So all new rough-ins. What we did here, we have a floating vanity with drawers. So we had to make sure these lines were in an exact location. So one of the benefits of us doing all our design prior to is we can actually figure this out. And we're not dealing with issues later. So all the electrical is happening today. We got some insulation in here. Got to do the ceiling, new vent. Rob's working on the window. Nice view. Hi, Rob.
Better looking on the window.
Yeah. Just post your picture on the window, right? Yeah. So the door is going to get a little bit smaller because we're going to have a open shelf here, but things are coming along. Everyone's working well together. Things are coming together. It's a good feeling. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hey guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here. Give you an update on the progress here of our bathroom renovation. Day 5 today. Crews here, they're going to be leaving soon because we do have days on Friday, 9 hours Monday to Thursday, and then half on Friday. A little extra time for Friday, the guys do, so that's good. But yeah, so electrical's all done. We will basically, we're touching up the insulation, poly, doing some other things to get ready for inspection. One of the things that we do, one of the tips that we do to kind of keep projects moving forward is we pre-book our inspections. So we basically schedule our projects, plan them out, get the trades in when we need them, and then book an inspection before even the work's done. So we have that tight schedule timeline so we can keep things moving. If we wait until we're done plumbing, done electrical, then we'd probably be waiting a week. Who knows however long they need to schedule an inspection. So I was hoping to get something today or even Monday. Didn't get it. We're on Tuesday, but it's still better than waiting until we're done. So I'll just show you around here where we got. And so we got, this is going to be heated floor. We got the line here just for fishing it through after the drywall's in. There's going to be a plug, light in there, or vanity light over there. We got our fan, new fan in there, and then we're going to have a pot light over the shower because it's always nice to have light in the shower. Again, here's our plumbing valves. So this is basically going to be a diverter, which here's the temperature control and on and off, and here's a diverter where basically you'll switch this for a wand that's going to be on the side here. So it's gonna really look nice and luxurious for the clients. Windows in, everything's kind of buttoned up here for poly and insulation, and yeah, after inspection, we'll drywall, get this all drywalled in. Next week, our plan is to get drywall painted and then start tile on the floor. And then the third week, the final week, is finishing touches, all the fixtures, trim, everything else. So about 3 weeks for a bathroom. You know, this bathroom is 8x5, something around there, 7x5, smaller bathroom. So about 3 weeks, and we'll get it all done. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and you guys have an awesome Friday and an awesome weekend. Hey guys, Matt here again with Valdek Construction. In the bathroom project here, we got our inspection yesterday. Everything went well. One minor item where one of the existing electrical lines weren't all the way seated in their box, sorted that out, and got that passed. So we got all drywall in yesterday. My crew, Mike and Rob, kicked ass, and we got all the drywall done so we can get a first coat of mud on today. And that's where we are. So here we are. We got the green board drywall that's a little more resistant to moisture. and first coat of mud on everything. Get a second and hopefully a third tomorrow, but we will see. Might be just one, but we'll see what happens. So we'll get that done this week. We'll have our award marble coming in to put on their shower walls on here, and then we might be painting on Friday or the next week. Tile's going in, tile floor is going to go in this weekend. Get that done, and then we'll start kind of putting on the finishing touches next week. And hopefully by the end of next week we'll have it all wrapped up and ready to hand over to a client. So it's coming together quite nicely. All right, thanks guys for watching. Take care.
Hey guys, Mike here at Valdek Construction. We're just at the bathroom renovation, getting the surround installed by Word Marble. Take a look.
Well,
Doing a great job at the moment.
Yeah, I'll check again, but it should be.
It's going to be a nice, clean, seamless look. Super easy to clean.
Oh yeah, okay.
Looks
okay,
good.
Okay.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now.
Hey guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here, doing a live take. So got somebody else filming for once. So okay, we're in the bathroom here. Ward marble is up. Paneling looks nice. I really like the swirl here. They do have tons of different options for colors. So that was done Friday. Tile floor is done as well. Heated floor. We got that protected because we're sanding and painting today. So we're gonna prime. We're gonna get it painted. We're gonna start bringing in all the finish work in here, the cabinetry, getting all the trims up, the door, and finishing this off this week. So we're almost done. Day 11 should be done by day 15, and we'll have this back to the clients. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Hey guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here. Day 12 of our bathroom renovation painting today. So we got we're actually making the bathroom look finished. So let me flip this around and show you guys. So we got a feature wall in behind the vanity and the toilet. It's a Covington blue and looks a little green to me, but I could just be looking at colors. My wife says that my blue looks green to me and she sees blue, whatever it is. But yeah, painting today, ceiling paint, wall paint, getting that done. We're also working on the outside on the siding. Guys are painting the siding for the lap siding where we shortened the window, so we got new siding and we're painting it, so that's going to get all reinstalled. And yeah, we're going to be throwing in the vanity, toilet coming in here this week, doing final touches and hopefully getting this wrapped up by Friday. That's the plan. That is definitely the plan, and hopefully we can hit it, unless we run into any issues, but I don't think we should. We got it all planned out pretty good, but we'll see. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Hey guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here. Day 14 of our bathroom renovation. Second last day. We are finishing touches. I'll just basically turn it around and start chatting. So here we go. We got our shelves, our zebra wood shelves in there. Vanities in. These are cool because it's just push open. No hardware. Oh, stuck in there. No hardware, so we had to do some cool things in here because it's such a small space. Nice light, you know, and we also we shortened up the door and put a cabinet in here for more storage, so they can have a ton of storage here in this small bathroom. I think it's turning out fantastic. Got our window in, we got our shower door. The plumbers are here ready to put the finishing touches on all the fixtures. The sink's gonna go in today. And then tomorrow we're gonna do all our little touch-ups, paint touch-ups, caulking, anything else that needs to go in here. Fan cover, handles, everything. It's really coming along. Heated floor right there, with our plug, and yeah, it's really looking good in here. I'm super pleased with my team. Mike, Rob, Nick, really banged this out. Just everybody part of it. Plumbing Solutions. They're actually here waiting for me to finish this video so they can come and finish everything. So I'm gonna finish it up here, and we'll have some final photos here once we're done. All right, take care. Hey guys, now with Valdek Construction here. Did our bathroom renovation the last day, doing the final touch-ups, cleaning, caulking, making sure everything's up to snuff. We got Nathan here doing all this work.
Oh, like the
Say hi,
bottom
Nathan.
Hi.
No, it's the ceiling.
And yeah, toilet's in, all the fixtures are in as well.
Yeah.
With the matte black. We're waiting on the trim.
Okay. Yeah,
That's
no,
why
I'm
we
here.
have
I'm here right now with
that's
the
why we
red.
have a something like that. That's why we have a chrome trim in there. And then I want to show you something that we had to figure out with this plumbing. So this is a custom made vanity, and there is not much room. So what we had to do is really plan out our roughing and where that's going to sit. So it turned out really nice, and everything's fitting perfectly. So one of the importance of having a good design process and a pre-planning process, so we can avoid these situations. And yeah, once this is all said and done, we'll get some nice photos done here, and the client will enjoy their bathroom. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.